right. All right. Hello. 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 For all you, my fans out there, this is Alan Lee, and I've had quite an experience. I'm in Phoenix, Arizona, near Surprise, which is a city in Phoenix. My first trip out here. And I went here on a mission, ladies and gentlemen. A mission not to find love, but to go to the gun show and walk around in this outfit. I've been all gussied up. I've got the black shirt, I've got the hat. Look at this, what? I walk into the gun show, everyone is staring at me. Guess what? They're in camo, they're in t-shirts, they're in Birkenstock sandals, and this is a gun show. And to make things worse, but I love it out there. I don't want to go back and forth on you. I wore not Tony Lamas, made in China, pig skin. And guess what happens when you go to a gun show that's like about 18 square miles, and you try to do it in these? This is what happens. See that? That's my foot. And that's not a bandage, that's my sock. Because I'm stranded here. I can't get out. Thank you, Louis, for having me over. And, here you go. That's an injury. Swollen. That's enough, that's gross. So here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Next time you come to Phoenix and you go to a gun show, wear the proper shoes, wear the proper attire. And that's my wisdom that I'm passing on to you. You know, this started out as a completely different book, ladies and gentlemen, but we're improvising here. Inside stuff. You're wondering what this is all improvised, but true. And in fact, my director here, say hello to the camera. Hola. There you go. Beautiful. That's my Hollywood director and my producer, Louis Pye. Say hello to us, Louis. Say something. Let's see. See these producers, they say nothing. All that money, all that money. So I'll leave you with that for this production. So I love you, Phoenix. I love you, Los Angeles. Bye.
That's a take.
Oh, and a print. Really freaking.
All right, good job.
You think it started doing strange things like freezing up? It's just like, oh, this is good. It looks psychedelic.
We don't know what we're doing.